Super excited to talk about the Make a Clone Challenge winners with you. First up is the full app template honorable mentions. Always great to start with a social media clone. Here we have Facebook where you can like, comment, you can even see your own profile on here as well. It's really nicely done. Next up is an e-commerce type of app for you to see your merch. You can add to your cart, check out those types of things. Next up, we have a book app, kind of like a little Amazon-esque, if you will. Add to cart again, really nicely done. But the winner of the best full app template is a real estate app where you can actually view things in 3D. It's pretty crazy. Check it out. Clone link below. All right, next up is our functional kit honorable mentions. So probably familiar with Typeform. They basically have made that inside of a dollar. Way to go there. We have a little badge system by Parker Thompson, one of our experts. We also have a way to verify email by another one of our experts, Shantanu. Awesome job. But the winner for best functional kit is actually an avatar system. This was incredible. It's all ready for you to clone so everyone can kind of set up their own profile pictures. All right, the UI kit is next. Honorable mentions. We have a nice little solid number pad here, a couple different versions, couple different styles with rounding, with circles, all that kind of fun stuff. After that, we actually have a nice spotlight search. It looks a ton like iOS inspired for sure. But the winner of the best UI kit is actually an expandable menu. Really cool to see this. There's a tutorial on how to actually do this inside of the kit as well. But last but not least, the winner, overall winner for the Make a Clone Challenge with MakerPad is the Minimal Blog by Damiano. Really great job. It's just super simple, clean. Everything looks great about it. All the entrants were really amazing. I can't thank you all enough. It was amazing to see it. Also, links to copy all of those things are down below in the description.